Hello, thank you very much for watching another VS Games video. We're playing a different game right now. Well, not really different. For this session, it is. We're playing Avalon. Avalon with 6 players. Namely, we have JD. Oh, JD Smile, say cheese. Yeah, JD. We have Skiddo Levino. We have New Ambassador. We have Ice Princess. And we have 2 new players. We have Low IQ Kobe. And we have M. Daniel. Alright, so lalo kami Avalon, 6 players, 6-player game, may 2 bad guys, 4 na good. Sa bad guys, meron tayong Minion of Mordred and Assassin, basic muna. And speaking of basic, 3 Loyal Servant of Arthurs and 1 Merlin. Nagbigay na ako ng rules to everyone, guys. Let's start the game. Mute your mics, go to sleep.
A few moments later.
That's all. Everyone wake up.
Everyone
wake up.
Wake up.
Okay. Ice Princess, dito. Yes, there you go. Alright, so Avalon 6-player game. Ang sequence nila, we're gonna start with JD. JD, for the first quest, we only need 2 people. Pick 2 people.
No, me and Skiddo.
You and Skiddo. So the first quest, it is JD and Skiddo. There are 6 players a group. You guys can vote a grouping or a pairing if you feel na sobrang obvious na bad sila or isa doon bad. But for now, since 6 kayo, 3 votes to cancel kasi hindi majority in favor. So, that being said, first quest daw, JD and Skiddo. Task Kamay, who is against this pairing for the first quest? Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Wow, wala pang info against yung dalawa. I'll ask why, or you guys can ask why, pero it pushes through. JD and Skiddo, send me a vote, success or fail, S or F. Privately. First quest was success.
Yay!
Both JD and Skiddo put in a success. Alright? Okay, I'm gonna start the conversation. To get the conversation going. Move Ambassador, Ice Princess, ba't kayo nag-vote against wala pang info at all?
Tapos itlog ngayon eh.
Troll.
Kita mo naman sa mukha nila eh. Mukha bang pagkakatiwalaan yan.
Wow.
Tapos ano ginagawa usually ng evil team sa start? Nagsa-success. So, there you go.
Wow.
Bad ano.
It's so funny. Like, you're saying it as if you never have done it before. Come on.
Exactly. That's why when I
was
was a bad guy, you know, like when I was young, parang ganun yan eh. But I've changed my leaves and, you know, turned over a new leaf.
Interesting. That is really interesting. Interesting fact.
Pagkakakilala ni Low IQ Kobe at saka kay Damien, no? Ha?
Sponsored by a Nice Princess.
Wait lang, sorry.
Yan. Pasa mo dito.
It's now Low IQ Kobe's turn. Low IQ Kobe, for the second quest, we need 3 people. Any 3 people. Now, not to sway you or anything, pero since bago ka, you don't have to pick yourself. Pero basic strategy here is, if you're good or pretending to be good, you would like to choose yourself kasi that's automatic 1 good success vote. Again, that's not the rule, pero that's the most basic strategy. You always include yourself. That's not the rule. But anyway, that being said, 3 people, who would you like to go on this quest?
Well, I guess I will go for me and the 2 people who opposed the initial vote.
Okay. New Ambassador, Ice Princess. Tama?
But why, though?
Kasi nga wala si Itlog.
Kasi nasa opposition side kami. Kasi kayo evil side.
What did we and JD do? We basically put success on the first quest. Like,
yeah, that's the typical strategy of bad guys, diba?
Good kami, ano na lang, respect our opinion.
How can we fail that with good guys?
Good kami, respect our opinion na lang. Sige. Parang guys, wala. Ito din napili.
Alam ko yan.
Let's just respect each other.
What are your qualifications to be good? Sige
guys,
na.
Pwede pa rin naman maging successful. Pwede pa rin naman ito mag-ano. Sorry, may sumasali. Timothy Tan. Let's just finish this game. We'll let you join after. Thank you. Anyway,
behave na tayo, guys. May sasali. Behave tayo, please.
For the second quest, si Low IQ Kobe, si New Ambassador, and Ice Princess. Ayun yung wife ko, may Tim Hortons. Thank you very much. And dalawa, so isa. Anyway, so 3 votes to cancel. Who is against that grouping?
Nagpadala na ako ng sagot ko.
Going twice. Going. Okay, it pushes through. Yes, nagbigay na si Ice Princess. For low IQ Kobe and send me a vote, success or fail. S or F. Okay? Very good. I got, sorry. Wala yung, kasi, okay. I got 3 votes, guys. And the second quest, 1 fail.
Wow.
One of the
Kung sino
3
yan.
Okay.
would get a fail.
Alam ko
I would
na kung
like-
sino.
I want to pretend I know what this means, but I
O
don't.
tara, bintangan tayo.
Wow,
So
this
1
is-
point bad, guys.
Sa likod mo,
It's a
JD, may
colossal,
pintana.
So
crazy
1 out
right
of
now.
the 3 people
Yes.
is...
Well, it doesn't mean na isa lang yung bad.
bad.
Could be na dalawa yung bad doon. All I could
at
say
least
is
one.
isa nag-vote fail. Okay, let's proceed. You guys can still back now, pero
So,
it's
bakit
Kiddo's
kami
turn.
Kobe pinili mo?
How
Kiddo-
convenient for low
Kiddo, you're
IQ
picking
Kobe
4
to pick
people.
us ni
We need to
NA
pick
na alam
4?
niyang
Ah.
nag-o-oppose kami.
Damn.
But that was the first
How
round,
convenient.
which means
What
So,
are your qualifications?
Okay, so I know
ako
it's good,
nag-graduate.
Well-mannered yun.
so I'm gonna pick
Oh,
myself,
good kami, well-mannered.
JD, and M. Damien.
Nag-google ba yan?
And one of them is bad in between among me, Ice Princess, and
Yeah. So why risk getting another bad sige, bahala ka. That's what you want eh. I'll respect your
Alright,
thing.
Basta
Kiddo,
ako,
we're
good
looking
ako.
Ayun,
for
tatlo ni na Damien.
Basta ako good
oh my
ako.
God, noob.
4 people for the third, no?
Good ako
Um,
dito.
Yeah,
I'm
4 pala.
I'm gonna pick myself,
Kailangan mo
JD, because you
rin
played
squeeze,
success in the first quest.
Ako, tignan mo kung mag-good ako ay success or not.
Wag si Ice Princess.
Ako!
Kunin mo si Low IQ Kobe kasi siya yung nagpumili kanina eh.
Eh, paano kung ano niya, if-fail niya?
Paano kung dalawa yung fail, edi inosente na tayo. Oh.
Ako,
Pero
sige.
sinabi ko na.
Kanina
So wala
magkakapit sila,
na.
nag-away na po sila ngayon.
Oh,
Sige
wala
daw.
na. Sinabi ko
Yourself,
na layo
Okay,
eh. Piliin
so-
ko na kami.
I'm gonna pick myself.
Nililinaw ko lang yung sarili ko na good ako.
Yes natin si M. Damien.
I think either NA or Ice Princess for the 4th one. Dapat
Are you sure?
kunan.
Ako
Okay,
na lang.
so you want
Ako na lang
so
kasi
who do you want?
Skido, hindi kita painumin ng kape dito sa Maynila. Sige. May
Tama,
ref.
simula pa lang tayo, may under the
May
table
blackmail
politics
na.
na.
Okay, so Ice Princess, I'm trusting you. Okay, so
Yes, you need to trust
JD.
me. Okay.
So me, JD, MD, Damien, and Ice Princess. I hope that's the combo.
Okay. So,
Okay.
Skiddo selects himself,
Ayan,
JD,
sinend ko na.
Ice Princess, and M. Damien. Tama? So, 3 votes to cancel. Taas kamay who's against that grouping. Going once. Going twice. Going. Wala.
Wala
Wala
yung sagot
nag-against.
ko eh.
So, send your vote, success or fail. Isang fail lang, point for the bad guys.
Ano kung may bad sa amin? Eh di maaano ko.
Malaman
Maiipit.
natin.
Ah.
I'm waiting for...
Diba ikaw yung
Huwag niyo na akong
nag-volunteer?
isali.
Alam mo
Huwag niyo
na
na
dapat
akong
yun.
isali, guys.
I'm waiting for... sige, JD, hindi ka pa nag-vote.
Wait lang po.
Sige, sabihin mo na malakas,
Kung
Joe.
ikaw na yung masama, JD. Tagal mo eh. Nag-isip
Yung
ka
hinahanap
pa.
yung F
Ano
na
ba yan?
letter.
Tinay pa talaga yung buong word. Okay, I got 4 votes. Guys, another fail.
What?
Sige, wag yun akong isali, ha?
Isang fail na lang, the bad guys will win. They don't even have to guess yung Merlin if mag-fail ulit isa pang quest.